Area of a cylinder with full concept and step-by-step solving.
A cylinder is a 3D shape we see in daily life, like a tin can or a glass.
A cylinder is a three-dimensional shape with two circular bases and one curved surface.
To find the area, we need to know the radius and the height.
Next is the curved surface area, which is the side of the cylinder. It is not circular. When opened, it forms a rectangle.
The formula for curved surface area is 2 pi rh.
Now let's solve a question step by step.
Formula for curved surface area. CSA is 1 divided the cylinder is 1 TSA. A cylinder has two flat surfaces, one on the top and one on the bottom. Both circles have the same radius, they're equal. That is why we say the top area equals the bottom area.
First, we have the flat surface area, which includes the top and bottom circles. The formula is 2 pi r squared. Radius r equals 3 centimeters. Substitute the radius value and square it. First, square the radius to get 9. Then multiply 2 with pi, and finally multiply by 9 to get the flat surface area.
This is the flat surface area of the cylinder, 56.52 square centimeters.
When we add the flat surface area and the curved surface area, we get the total surface area of the cylinder.
To find the total surface area of the cylinder, we add the curved surface area. We'll add the DI 184 square centimeters as the total surface area.
Area is always written in square units.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more math lessons.
Subscribe for more easy math lessons.
Maths Unlocked by IRSA.